Good morning, class. Today we are going to begin with the final part, that is the fourth part of lesson number 21. For better personal development, we inherit the ability to learn many skills. The growing age is the time to recognize these abilities and to develop our skills. Developing our skills help us to live an independent, useful and enriching life. Children, inherit means which we get. I have explained earlier in my previous videos. Inherit means heredity. By default we get it from our parents. We inherit the property. In the same way we inherit some of the abilities also, some skills which our parents are very efficient in that. With the growing age and the time, like we recognize these abilities, develop the skills and we become independent, which becomes useful for us and makes our life much better. A good diet. You know that food is necessary for growth. However, in certain circumstances, a growing child does not get various food constituents in adequate proportions. This leads to malnutrition, affecting the growth of that child. For example, a person does not grow as tall as they would have been. Even if such a person gets a good diet later on, it is of no use for the growth of the body. Now here children, you have learned what is a balanced diet. The person not getting balanced diet suffers from malnutrition. Malnutrition means undernutrition, getting less of nutrition. Because of that also the body doesn't grow properly. Now growing properly, now if that is changed later on, if the body gets proper nourishment, but once the age is crossed, once you cross 18 years of age, will your height increase? No. So that is the reason, like proper time, proper food, proper exercise, everything done on time helps you much better. Now in this age, for example, now this is your studying age. If you don't study well, if you become big and then then what will happen? If you are not able to do your daily course, what will happen? You will repent. You will you will have to suffer in many ways. So better do your work at the right possible time. Now food should be balanced, eaten at proper time and it should be given. Now you know what is that growth of that child, that is not becoming tall after 18 years of age. The child, it is of no use. So better have a proper balanced food. Now some of the children don't get a balanced diet and some of them, because of their tantrums, they don't eat food. They don't eat proper food. They eat only junk food, pizzas, burgers and pasta, Maggie and all these things. They try to avoid what? Nutritious foods. They don't eat vegetables. So from where do you get vitamins and minerals? From the fruits and vegetables. So please children, have a balanced diet. Other factors that support growth and development. What is that? Along with nutritious food, adequate exercise is also necessary for your growth and development. Lack of exercise means less exercise also affects the growth adversely. It will affect the growth in a wrong manner. You will become sick, you will not become active, you will become obese. So there are many things if you don't exercise properly. Now this is the age when you can run, skip, hop and play so many of outdoor games. Children, mind it well, outdoor games give you plenty of exercise. Indoor games, playing video games, cards, ludos and especially nowadays the mobile games, they make you couch potato. They will not give you exercise. In fact, it has the adverse effect on our health, on our eyesight. So better exercise properly. One must also be careful to study well, avoid addictions and their ill effects, develop hobbies, take part in sports, and learn new skills. If we take care to do all this, it leads to good development. So to become independent, to become a developed person, you should take care of all these things. Whether boy or a girl, each person has every right to get opportunity to make progress and enrich their own life. Again, children, there is no difference in the gender, male or female. Every person has the right, full right. It should get the opportunity to make progress and make their life successful. Each one has a unique personality. In our class, there must be some children who are good in studies, while others are good at games and sports. Some sing well and some like to act in plays. Now, children, everybody is not good at studies. They have their different arenas where they are smart. They can be good in sports, in games, or in cooking, or in like different distinct directions are there where you can make your future in acting, playing, dancing. So, but whatever you are good in, try to become not only good, try to become smart in that, expert in that. Now every hobby has a future. You can make your future in that, make it successful, make it, practice daily and try to make it fruitful. Every person is different from all others. Our physical and mental makeup is not the same as that of anyone else. Like if somebody is strong, has a good physique, so it's not necessary, it is not mandatory that others also should be strong. Somebody must be weak but good in studies. The other one is good in studies but physically weak. So these all things differ from person to person. You cannot compare two children. You cannot compare two siblings also, two brothers and sisters also, not to be compared at all. Each one is unique, a gift from God. So accept them, accept your hobbies, accept your talents, accept your flaws also. Our personality develops through our interest and efforts. What we like to do and what we practice every day. So whatever you like to do should be practiced daily. The more you practice, the sooner you become expert in that. During the growing years, we also learn to tell what is good and what is bad. Our personality can be said to be excellent only when we put good thoughts into practice. Only thinking does not make you reach anywhere. I'll do like that, I'll do like this. Just you plan cooking like this, I'll make this or I'll make that. Simply dreaming or planning about all these things does not fill your stomach. To fill your hunger, to satisfy your hunger, you need to get up, go to the kitchen and cook. In the same way, if you want to become like Dhoni, so you have to play cricket, you have to become smart, you have to play daily. If you want to become Shakuntala Devi, so you have to practice maths daily and daily. Then only you can become expert. Practice makes man perfect. Always remember, we do not learn good values only to write about them in exams. They must be reflected in our behavior. Now here children, only learning in the books, reading in the books, that does not make us smart. They does not make us a good person. To become a good person, we need to practice it in our daily life. We need to implement it. We need to change our behavior. Now, what we have learnt? We have learnt we grow in height and weight right from the birth till we reach adulthood. Adulthood is 18 years of age. You do not grow till the time you are alive. A newborn baby cannot do anything for itself. We learn many skills from our parents, teachers, and others. We see similarities in people of the same family. Even so, every person is unique. The more the skills we learn, the less we depend on others. Very important thing, you should know to do everything you want to do, learn to do. We can live an independent, useful, and enriched life with the help of skills. So, children, along with this, we have completed lesson number 22, EVS lesson number 22. In my next lecture, I will be sending you all notes. Till the time, read the lesson twice, thrice, and try to understand it properly. If you have not understood anything, watch that video again. Right, children? Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.